Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import emails on Klaviyo website. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type klaviyo.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. And as you can see from that page, you can actually click at login if you have an account. Once you click here, as you can see, this will take you to the login page. So all you need to do, just go and enter your email password, check if this I'm not a robot, then log in into your account. Of course, you can even log in with the SSO. If you don't have a Klaviyo account, you can click at let's get started so you can actually create your account. Just fill all the information needed here to create your account. And of course, click at Get Started to create your account. Once you're logged in or you created your account, you'll find yourself on this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on Klaviyo website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, is we would like to show you how to import emails. And if you want to do that, make sure if this audience is not expanded on this list panel, click on it and expand it, then click on Lists and Segments. That should take you into this page. Make sure to go to this newsletter list and click on it, and that should open this page for you. Here, simply click at Manage List at the top right corner, then click at Import Contacts. That should take you into this page. Choose Email Subscribers if you want emails, and SMS if you want SMS. Click on Next, and here upload the file that contains your emails that you want to import. Of course, make sure it's a CSV file, so you will have no problems. Once you do that, click at Next, then click at Next again, and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.